Coming soon, it's The Breakfast Show with Viv and Nav. This time, we're serving up something hot. Top TED talk like no other. And yes, we mean thyroid eye disease.
Hey, Viv, I've got an amazing news. Teprotumumab is now approved in Canada. There is now an alternative treatment for thyroid eye disease.
I know. Look at the skyrocketing number of publications. An increase by more than 50% new publication for the past decade.
Yeah, I was so excited that we get 4 amazing experts, Dr. Isabel Hardy and Dr. Evan Keelan from Montreal, Dr. Don Kakawa from San Diego, and Dr. Peter Dolman from right here in Vancouver.
I can't wait to see them all tell us what they really think about all the different TED therapies. It will be an amazing, energizing morning kickoff for the COS 2025 in Vancouver. Oh, and don't forget, there's going to be an ice cream bar in the back.
Ice cream bar in the morning? Are you nuts?
I'm nuts for TED.
4 expert panelists, bigger personalities. Hosted by Viv and Nav. It's science with a splash of sass. Don't miss it.